When using Detection Eye, press on the scanner button to interrupt the acquisition process. By pressing the button twice, a menu will open on the screen and the scanner can be used also as a cursor. By moving the scanner upwards, it is possible to use scanner movements to check and rotate the acquired image and verify if there are missing areas. If this is the case, the scan process can be continued directly without clicking or pressing other buttons. If the scanner is moved downwards, the scan process can be paused or started again. To proceed with the next scan, just move the scanner rightward. Finally, move Detection Eye leftward to delete the scan data that you have just recorded, selecting Yes to confirm your choice.